Python performance improvements and coding style. Question. Let's assume the following sparse table is given indicating the listing of a security on an index. EBT, for example, is on index from 1999-103 to December 31, 2003 and again from December 31, 2005 until today, dash indicates today. During times in between it is not listed on index. How can I efficiently transform this sparse table to a dense table of the following form? In the section My Solution you will find my solution to the problem. Unfortunately, the code seems to perform very bad. It took about 22 seconds to process 1,648 entries. As I am new to Python, I wondered how to efficiently program problems like these. I do not intend that anyone is providing me with a solution to my problem, unless you wish to do so. My primary goal would be to understand how to efficiently solve problems like these in Python. I use the functionalities of pandas to match the respective entries. Should I have used NumPy and indexing instead? Should I have used other toolboxes? How can I gain performance improvements? Please find my approach to this problem in the section below, if it is of interest to you. Thank you very much for your help. My solution. I have tried to resolve the problem by looping through every row entry in the first table. During every single loop, I specify a Boolean matrix for the specific from-through interval with all elements set to true. This matrix is appended to a list. At the end, I pd.concat the list and unstack and reindex the resulting data frame.